Melissa, AstraZeneca is now the second drug maker to sign on to President Trump's most favored nation drug price program. According to our colleagues at MSNBC who reported it earlier, it comes after breaking ground on a $4.5 billion plant in Virginia yesterday, where Dr. Oz was present. CMS Administrator Dr. Oz very much at the center of a lot of these negotiations. And it also comes 10 days after the Pfizer agreement to provide drugs at lower prices for Medicaid, as well as making a $70 billion investment in the U.S., including manufacturing. In exchange, Pfizer won't face tariffs for 3 years. We'll listen in and see what the details are. But CMS Administrator Dr. Oz, as I mentioned, very much at the center of this. And he told me in Washington on Monday that, his goal is to get 95% of drugs in the U.S. priced in line with what Europe pays. So who's next? The administration has reached out to a lot of firms. When I asked Dr. Oz about GLP-1s for weight loss and Medicare, he declined to answer but said, quote, "We're in the middle of a lot of action. You'll be hearing more about it very soon." So, Melissa, this is not likely to be the last one we hear.
Yeah, in the Pfizer deal, if we can call it a deal, Bertha, is regarded as a lot less than what had been feared. They were drugs that were not huge moneymaker drugs anyway. I mean, is it this? Do we have a sense of what this is for AstraZeneca?
We don't have a sense for AstraZeneca, but, Dr. Oz sort of says this isn't obviously the only tool that they're looking at. They're also looking at, Medicare. He says that his team is negotiating quite aggressively. We're going to get the next round of the prices for IRA price negotiation next month. And they're also looking at using the Medicare innovation pilots to try to do something when it comes to prices as well. This is one of his top priorities.